Hey मेरे प्यारे Facebook वासियों, how are you guys? Till the time you're waiting for everyone to come, I just want to say that how thankful I am कि आप लोग मेरे friends हो. Trust me, I am very happy and I am very thankful. Finally, I see people coming. Yay, yay. Alright, so in today's session, I'll be talking about some tips for glowing, healthy skin. Hi. So if you have any queries, any questions related to how to get a good, healthy, glowing skin, please let me know. I'll try my best to help you out. But there is one thing, if you have a healthy skin, as in you don't have any problems with your skin, I would love to help you out from a fitness professional's perspective. But you must consult a dermatologist or a skin specialist if you have any skin problems. So just by getting my tips, no magic is going to happen. You have to consult your skin specialist. But yes, I can help you in getting healthy skin and glowing skin through fitness. Hi, I love your smile. Thank you. You're looking cute. Thank you. वैसे आज मुझे ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था ए मेरे प्यारे फेसबुक वासियों, आज मुझे ये बोलना चाहिए था क्योंकि फेसबुक ने एक नया फीचर डाला है, दैट इज फूल खिले है गुलशन गुलशन. सो लाइक आज सारे जब से ये फूल आए हैं मार्केट में तब से सारे फेसबुक वासियों बन गए हैं माली. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the questions if you have any for getting good skin and glowing skin. How are you? Hey, I'm 6 feet and I'm very lazy. If you're very lazy, then you know where your problem lies. Try to improve your being lazy tag, and that's the first place to begin with. Now let me start by sharing some fitness tips for glowing skin. First thing first, you should be avoiding sugar. Excess sugar is bad for your skin. Having excess oil in your food, that is oily fried food, is bad for your skin. So in terms of your food habits, don't have junk, don't have excess sugar, don't have excess oil. All of these will give you bad skin. So that's one thing about your food. What do you think about masala oats? Yeah, you can have masala oats. Hello everyone. Any questions related to skin and healthy skin especially, you can let me know, because I'm getting some random questions which are not related to the topic. So if any question related to skincare, normal water and cold water, which one is better for okay, you can have, as it is in summer, you're already feeling sweaty and hot, so if you take a shower with little cold water, it's good for you. Not very chilled, but little, not too warm, but little chill. It's good for you. Please say something about meal replacement shake. Don't have meal replacement shakes. That is because your body was meant, how will your metabolism function if you don't chew your food? So basically you have to chew your food. There are no magic shakes, no magic pills available in the market that can transform you. Today you are wearing solar clothes, वो क्या होता है? No one can have an evening. Okay. Hey, I have bad back acne problem. How do I improve it? First of all, try taking shower with little cold water. That will help you. But I suggest that you consult a skin specialist, because that is something which only the doctor can see and help you out. But if you want to take care of your skin in general, I'll give you some tips which you can use in your daily life, along with taking care of your fitness, how to take care of your skin. First of all, you should be going to the gym regularly, because the more blood circulation you have, the better blood pumping you have in your body, the better skin you have. That's one. 2, have enough water. 3, in summer especially, we lose a lot of electrolytes because of working out, because of sweat. So have 1 coconut water every single day, in summer especially. That will really help you get beautiful glowing skin. My skin pigmented and dull. I ordered all the junk food. Okay, if you have a dull skin, then you can use, this is what I've personally used. Okay, you can boil a potato and make a paste out of it, add honey in it, and then apply on your face, on your body. It will really give you a healthy glow. You can also use curd on your skin, on your body. It will give you a healthy glow. So this is something which will really help you out. I have dark spots under my eyes. See, first of all, if you have dark spots, then it's a sign that you need a better nourishment plan. You need to eat healthy. That's 1. 2, take enough rest. 3, if you're going through some stress, please try sorting out the problem. Automatically, you will feel happier. So you will have less dark circles, and slowly and gradually you will feel better about your dark circles. They'll lighten up. 4th, take enough rest. Did I say that? Then something else. Then 4th, exercise. It will really, all of these things will help you out. And then also you can use cold milk, dip cotton balls in that, and put it on your eyes for 15-20 minutes. This will lighten up your skin a bit. In 2 hot days, gym is advisable for 1 hour. Yes, you should be going to the gym, but if it is too hot outside, prefer going to a gym which has air condition, AC, at least a fan, so that you don't sweat a lot. And this is my personal experience. When I'm training outdoors, we tend to dehydrate a lot, so have ORS or a sports ORS electrolyte sachet and put it in 1 liter of water and keep sipping throughout your exercise. It will help you. So yes, no matter what the weather is, you have to work out. Is green tea helpful for skin? Yes, green tea will help, but when you're having green tea, don't have your regular tea and coffee. That is, if you're having 3 to 5 cups of green tea, don't have your regular tea or coffee, because when you have regular tea and coffee plus green tea, you will have caffeine overdose, and then you will keep awake all night. Is it good to take pills to reduce weight? No, my dear, don't have pills. There is no magic pill available in the market that can help you lose weight. The only magic pill that is available in the market is your sweat and your hard work. So please go work out, eat right. That's the only way to go. That will help you long term, because see, first of all, we don't know what actually the pills are made of, and secondly, how it is going to react in your body, we don't really know. So please don't go for any pills. And if you want to go try any pills, don't just randomly pop pills which are available over the counter, that is OTC. Please consult a doctor, show them, and they are not really worth it. The doctors are worth it, the pills are not. Does juice diet help in making skin glow? Having juices, I would suggest that always eat your fruits, and you should be having vegetable juice, not fruit juice. So vegetable juice is great. It will help your skin glow. Yes, it's great. During your exam time, can I maintain my body weight? Yes, you can. If you eat right, exercise regularly, even during your exams, that is, at least walk, it will help you. Tea or black coffee, what should be chosen? Now, it's totally your choice. I don't like black coffee at all. If I have black coffee, some people like me feel depressed, because if you have black coffee, if you have a lot of caffeine, you might, instead of helping you out, it might just make you feel low. So it's a personal choice. If you like black coffee, it gives you a kick, go for it. But for me, people like me who really can't tolerate that much coffee, strong coffee, then you can have tea as well. It's good. It's okay. Suggest some good. Okay, for abdominal exercises, I have already shared videos on YouTube, youtube.com/Sapnavyas, that is youtube.com/SAPNAVYS. Please go check it out. Today, I really want to focus on skin and how fitness and exercises and eating right can help you get a better skin. So if you have any questions related to that, go on. I have scratches on my face, how to reduce it? Okay, you can pop vitamin E, not pop, you can, take a vitamin E capsule. You can puncture the capsule and get that oil and apply on your marks. That is good. You can also massage your skin with olive oil, coconut oil. All these oils are really good. But the problem with oil is that massage it for a few minutes and then wash it off. Some people who have already oily skin will get acne, will get pimples. So to make sure that you get a good skin and not pimples, apply oil, moisturize your face, and then wash it off. And then you can apply ice on your face after the oil, so that it really helps. How to reduce stretch marks. Number one, if you already have stretch marks, try massaging yourself every single day after shower, or at times if you have olive oil, coconut oil, then you can massage yourself before a shower. Massage yourself for 15-20 minutes, self massage, and then take a shower. It's good. After your shower, you can also apply curd, then just wash it off. All these things really help. So slowly and gradually your stretch marks will lighten up. But if you want to avoid stretch marks altogether, first, don't reduce weight in a drastic way. That is, reduce slowly, gradually, along with healthy diet and exercising without going for any shortcuts. If you do that, you will not have stretch marks at all, if you do it in a healthy way. Number two, if you already have stretch marks, that's okay. All of us are humans. Some point in life, we all will get stretch marks. Have you seen those bodybuilders who have stretch marks on their arms? Because any sudden weight change or any sudden muscle gain causes stretch marks, which is completely okay. So if you are fit, if you have muscles, if you are toned, don't bother. We are humans. Your stretch marks doesn't define you, so it's cool. And if you want to know more about stretch marks, because I see some other people also commenting, आज बहुत फूल बरस रहे, by the way. Okay, thanks Facebook for this new feature, yay! Okay, so if you have any question related to stretch marks, I have replied in depth on YouTube, so please go check it out. I've made a video where I've talked about how to reduce stretch marks. Ting ting. Why don't you do movies? क्योंकि पता नहीं. Is green tea helpful in weight loss? Well, green tea helps as long as you have a healthy lifestyle. You eat right, exercise, manage your stress, sleep more for at least 8 hours. If you do that and then have green tea, then it helps. There's no magic in green tea. It helps if you are following a healthy lifestyle. I work out daily, but after I'm done with my workout, I'm more dehydrated no matter how much water I drink. And if I drink 1 glass of water, I feel heavy. What should I do? Okay, have electrolytes. That is, during day, you can have 1 coconut water every single day, especially during summers, because we tend to dehydrate a lot more. So that's 1. 2, if you're working really hard and if you feel dehydrated, if you feel dizzy, if you feel like you have not worked at your optimum, then you should be having electrolyte sachets. As in, you can get an electrolyte sachet, mix it with water and have it during your workout. That will give you energy to work out better and it will not give you dehydration. Pigments, black spots on face. Okay, if you have spots on your face, you can apply, see, this is something which I have been using since I was in school to avoid those patches and those black spots. What I do is I mix up curd, besan and turmeric. These 3 are great, and then little lemon. So if you mix this and then apply, then what it will help. It has helped me. It might help you too. That's 1. 2, you can also mix neem ke patte, neem and turmeric in a mixture and apply the paste. This really helps. And if you don't want to do all this, so much of things, then just apply paste of turmeric and honey, mix it up and apply on your face wherever you have dark spots, even on your face. But yes, the only panga with haldi is that it will stain. So make sure that you don't have to go out that day because you are going to look yellow, dirty fellow. And you will also make your pillows dirty, make your clothes dirty. So free ka tip. मैंने कभी एक बात नोटिस की है कि तुम बहुत खूबसूरत हो. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. After workout, whole skin of my face is burning. So what should I do? अच्छा, मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ. आप जब वर्कआउट करते हो उसके बाद आपके फेस की स्किन बर्न करने लगती है. यानी आप बाहर धूप में वर्कआउट करते हैं या जॉगिंग करते हैं, मुझे ये नहीं पता है, पर इन जनरल अगर आपकी फेस की स्किन बर्न करती है जब आप बाहर वर्कआउट करते हो, तो पहली बात तो ये है कि आपको सनस्क्रीन लगा के जाना चाहिए ताकि आपकी स्किन फर्दर डैमेज ना हो. ठीक है, दैट इज़ 1. सेकेंडली, जब भी आप वर्कआउट करके आए अपना फेस अच्छी तरह से ठंडे पानी से वॉश कर लीजिए. आप ये काम कर सकते हैं. पहले ये मैं करती हूँ, ठीक है, तो आपको भी फ़ायदा हो सकता है। आप ये कर सकते हो, नंबर 1, थोड़ा मॉइस्चर, थोड़ा क्लेंजिंग मिल्क लें, उससे फेस अपना क्लीन करें ताकि जो डीप स्वेट है वो निकल जाए। कोई आपने वर्कआउट किया है तो कुछ बाहर से आए हो, अगर आप जॉगिंग वॉगिंग करके, तो कुछ फेस पे डर्ट लगे, पोल्यूशन डर्ट ये वो वगैरह, तो व्हेन यू अप्लाई जस्ट टेक अ लिटिल, हिंदी में बोलना है, अच्छा, थोड़ा लीजिए क्लेंजिंग मिल्क से फेस का मसाज कीजिए, देन थोड़ा आइस से उसको रब कीजिए और आप फेस पे लगाइए, मसाज कीजिए, देन उसके बाद थोड़ा आइस लगाइए एंड कोल्ड वाटर से वॉश कर दीजिए ताकि आपके पोर्स बंद हो जाएंगे, ठीक है। इससे आपके फेस पे जलन नहीं होगी। आप ट्राई कीजिए 1 वीक और फिर मुझे बोलिए वर्क करता है कि नहीं। पर अगर ये करने के बाद भी वर्क नहीं करता है तो आपको अपने डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट या स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट को दिखाना चाहिए। विच सनस्क्रीन शुड आई यूज़ फॉर फेयर स्किन? किसी भी अच्छी कंपनी का आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट ब्रांड अच्छी होनी चाहिए, फर्जी नहीं होनी चाहिए ऑब्वियसली। एनी आई डोंट वांट टू नेम ड्रॉप एनी, बट या कोई भी अच्छी, जैसे लाइक में गार्नियर, कोई भी चलेगा, जो भी आपके आसपास के सिनेमा घरों में उपलब्ध हो, वैसे आसपास के सुपरमार्केट्स में अवेलेबल हो। थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर रविंद्र फॉर सच नाइस वर्ड्स। मुंबई में क्लासेस चालू करो, यू आर अडोरेबल, थैंक यू। इन समर इज वेट लॉस थ्रू जिम प्रोहिबिटेड? ये कैसे? सिगरेट स्मोकिंग इज प्रोहिबिटेड, गोइंग टू द जिम इज नॉट प्रोहिबिटेड, यू कैन गो टू द जिम। आपको समर में भी जिम करना चाहिए, वर्कआउट। ये क्या हो गया? ओके, आपको संडे हो या मंडे रोज खाओ अंडे, वैसे समर हो या विंटर, मानसून हो या कुछ भी, आपको जिम में जाना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमारा बॉडी मूव करने के लिए डिज़ाइन किया गया है। तो अगर आपको जिम में नहीं जाना है तो आप घर पे एक्सरसाइज करो, जो आप करोगे नहीं तो जिम में जाना पड़ेगा। I sometimes go to the gym, but I'm not regular as I'm lazy. First of all, remove this thing of being lazy from your mind, because even if you might not be really lazy, do you feel lazy to go out with your friends? Do you feel lazy to do something nice for others? No, you don't. वैसे आपको ये टैग निकाल देना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो हम कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने आप को बोलते रहते हैं, आई एम लेजी, आई एम लेजी, आई एम लेजी, आई एम लेजी, तो आप एक्चुअली लेजी बन जाओगे और वो आपकी पर्सनल हिंड्रेंस बन जाएगी। आप लेजी नहीं हो। अगर कोई चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती करने की और उसका रेफरेंस लेके आप बोलते हो दैट आई एम लेजी, देन यू आर कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग। सो अपने दिमाग से प्लीज़ ये निकाल दीजिए दैट यू आर लेजी, यू आर नॉट लेजी। बट हाँ, कुछ चीज़ें हमें करनी अच्छी लगती है, कुछ चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं लगती करनी, तो दैट्स ओके। पर ये टैग निकाल दीजिए और उसके बाद थोड़े थोड़े स्टेप्स लीजिए जो आपको हेल्प करेंगे टू गेट ओवर योर लेजीनेस। प्लीज़ एडवाइज मी ऑन ऑयली स्किन। ओके, यू कैन बाय अ सनस्क्रीन जो स्पेशली ऑयली स्किन के लिए बनाया गया है। वो कोई भी अच्छी ब्रांड का हो सकता है। सो जो भी आपके आसपास अच्छी ब्रांड अवेलेबल है, वो ऑयल कंट्रोल सनस्क्रीन जो आता है वो आप लगा सकते हैं। मैम, आई कैंट गेट अप अर्ली। इट्स ओके, यू डोंट नीड टू गेट अप अर्ली। आई डोंट गेट अप अर्ली आइदर, so it's okay as long as you are sleeping for 8 hours, managing a healthy lifestyle, it's okay. You don't need to get up at 6. But yes, try getting up early, but it's completely okay. उसका नया स्ट्रेस अपने आप पे मत डालो। बट अगर आप रात को टाइम वेस्ट करो on WhatsApp and chatting and all, then shut it off and go to sleep. Then slowly and gradually you will get up early. Thanks for your wonderful live session. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much. Yeah, due to working out, my face has bad effect. फेस पे क्या बैड इफेक्ट होते हैं मिस्टर नवीन जी? मुझे बताइए, समझ में नहीं आया आपके फेस पे क्या बैड इफेक्ट्स हो गया। 1 hour walking will help me reduce weight. It will, but it is incomplete. 1 hour walking is a good cardio, but if you want to become strong, toned like Prabhas, then you have to do strength training exercises. प्रभास, आप अपने आप को पूछिए, क्या बाहुबली ने वॉकिंग करके अपना मसल बनाया होगा? नहीं नहीं, बाहुबली went to the gym. So आप भी वो करिए, तभी आप बाहुबली बनोगे, वरना देवसेन आपको पंच मारेगी और आप गिर जाओगे। Lame. Please start doing video. Make live also. अच्छा, वो क्या है मुझे नहीं पता। Do you think you are so pretty? Exactly so. Thank you. How to reduce arm fat? You can't reduce fat from one particular part of your body, but if you do exercises, that is if you strength train, it will help you. But for arm exercise, I'll talk in some next session. ठीक है? आज स्किन की बात करते हैं। आप without eyeshadows अच्छे लगते, thank you. And do you have tips for blackheads? Yeah, you know what, you can make a home scrub. You can take little honey and put little sugar in it. So then not moisturize, then massage that on your face, and it will really help you get rid of the blackheads. Or you can do one more thing, take a little, go for steam bath, or just take a little steam and then apply the same scrub, that is honey and sugar, and then just rub it on your face and then clean your face with cotton. You will see blackheads coming out. If I stop going to the gym, will we get fat? Now, if you stop going to the gym, that doesn't mean that you stop exercising. So basically, when you stop going to the gym, you have to perform some form of exercises, be it at home or swimming or some other form of cardio, but you have to work out. How to get good cheeks like you? Well, I have a laddu face, so I'm God given. Even if I gain 100 grams of weight, it all comes here. So God has made me a laddu. I have dark circles under my eyes. What is the remedy? Okay, if you want to get rid of dark circles, 1, manage your stress. 2, take enough sleep, because if you don't sleep, if you don't rest, if you don't manage your stress, you will definitely get dark circles. 3, if you are nutritionally starved, that is, you think that you are getting enough nutrition from your food, but you might actually be nutritionally starved. So please eat right. Along with these 3 tips, what you can do is you can apply, you can take warm milk, not warm, little cold milk, and put cotton in it and put it on your eyes. It will really help you get little lighter skin. That's 1. 2, you can also you can boil a potato and make a paste and then apply on your eyes. It will really help you out. It's awesome listening to you first time. Oh, I come live every day. Doing a lot of exercise but weight loss is nothing. If you're doing a lot of exercises and you're stuck at a particular weight, chances are that you're not eating right, and you might be doing the same form of exercises, or you might just be doing cardio and not doing enough strength training exercises. So you have to check it out, whether you are making errors in terms of your food, and yeah, if you take a lot of sugar also, then sugar is one thing which will make your skin dull, which will make your hair dull, which will also make you fat. So if you are having a lot of sugar rich food, and see, you can be in your calorie limit, but you might be having a lot of sugar, so that ways also you might not be reducing weight. So please check it out which error you are making. Please हिंदी, आपका सवाल हिंदी में आएगा तो मैं आपको ज़रूर हिंदी में जवाब दूंगी. Foods to eat for wrinkleless. Now, wrinkles are something, if you exercise, if you eat right, if you are happy, healthy, then you will delay the wrinkles, but wrinkles are bound to happen if we all are humans. You look good in black. Thank you. And this is 5th or 6th time. I'm not getting any, but see, I have a request. Those of you write, this is my 5th time, I'm not getting reply. Yesterday I told you a question and you're not replying. Instead of writing that, अगर आप अपना सवाल दोबारा मुझे पूछ लेंगे तो बेहतर रहेगा, क्योंकि जब मैं बोलता हूँ तो मैं किसी की नहीं सुनता हूँ. I don't read when I'm talking. So I request you to please rewrite. Sorry if I missed your question. मैंगो का ओवर इंटेक चलेगा? नहीं, मोटा हो जाएगा, मैंगो जैसे हो जाओगे. ज़्यादा मैंगो खाओगे, मैंगो जैसे हो जाओगे. Don't have lot of mango. Have 1 or 2, and that too in limit, and that too before exercising is good. So you can have a mango, after a few minutes go for workout, fun, good, okay. But don't go overboard with it. Like इतना जो चलता है, मैंगो की सीजन चली जाएगी, फिर कब मिलेगी? Is there any natural skin cream? Yes, you can apply curd, it's great. That's what I do. You can also apply ghee on your face. All these are messy things, dirty things. You will stink like pig, but it will help you get a good skin. So you can, after washing your face, you can apply ghee and wash your face and then put a little ice so that all that stickiness goes away. मेरा एक ही सुझाव है आपको, अगर मैंने जो हल्दी वाली टिप्स दी तो अगर आप हल्दी लगाते हो आइदर विथ हनी और हल्दी विथ नीम, नंबर 1 हल्दी का स्टेन्स होगा ऑन योर फेस, आप येलो डर्टी फेलो हो जाओगे, दैट्स वन. आप जहाँ पे सोओगे यू नो अपने पिलो केस पिलो कवर्स सब डर्टी होंगे, तो मेक श्योर वो होगा. और स्पेशली नीम, हुआ क्या था, हाउ आई नो इट, ओके, एक्चुअली मैंने लगाया था नीम का पेस्ट, neem and haldi, and I got a scratch here. So I have this baby type of habit, if I get hurt then that's what I do. So I had applied neem all across my hand and I did that, so yuck, it tastes so bad. So after applying all these neem packs and all, don't touch yourself, stay away. ये कैसा सवाल है, व्हाट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, फिटनेस और स्ट्रेंथ? बोथ आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. इफ यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली बी मोर फिट. इफ यू आर फिट देन ओनली यू विल बी वांटिंग टू गो फॉर स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग एक्सरसाइज. सो बोथ आर, हाथों में हाथ. Coffee before workout, what's the logic? Okay, coffee gives you a little kick. It makes you feel more energetic. It makes you a little high. So when you work out, you give your best, you work out for longer. So it gives you a little push. So that's, in layman terms, that's what you get by having a coffee. पर कॉफ़ी का पंगा एक और है, अगर आप ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी पीते हो then you might just feel depressed, you'll feel sad, low. Whenever I work out, I can feel too much heat from inside. What to do? See, you can keep sipping water and keep having electrolytes. But if you're feeling a lot of heat inside when you're working out, chances are that you might have eaten some spicy food which is hindering your workout process. Chances are, I'm not sure because I don't know what food you eat before your workout, but this are things in general that which people face. So watch your food habits, and your body temperature tends to go a little high when you're working out. So 700 calorie ka diet, oh god, no. A guy should not be getting less than 1600 calories every day, and a girl should not be going less than 1400 calories every day. If you're having 700 calories every single day, then mind you, you're going to be in Okay, hi, I work out when I reduce 7 kg, but from 3 months my weight is not reducing. Can you suggest something? Okay, if your weight is stuck at some point, then you can do one thing. If you are doing just cardio, add strength training. If you are already doing strength training, then add compound exercises like squats, lunges, clean and jerks, chest press, then snatch, deadlifts. All these exercises, if you do, then they will give you great results. Along with that, even if you're eating right, exercising, and if you're not sleeping enough, that is at least 8 hours, if you're not sleeping after all the nonsense that you do in the gym, then what's the point? So if you are giving your best in the gym, then please sleep for at least 8 hours. All these things with a good lifestyle will definitely give you results. Cheese, butter or oil, which is better? No butter. No butter is better. So no butter. Cheese is okay if you have lost weight and if you are just trying to maintain. You can have cheese, but not on top of a pizza, okay? Not with pasta. A cube of cheese with roti or something, good. But once in a blue moon, that's what I'll suggest. That's one. Two, little bit of oil in sabzi is going to do no harm to you, so it's okay. Can one lose weight through cardio? See, you can lose weight only through cardio, yes, but then आपने देखा होगा कई लोग हो जाते हैं क्रिसमस ट्री की तरह ऐसे, ऊपर से वेट लॉस होता है, नीचे से नहीं होता. सो यू डोंट लूज वेट इन अ प्रॉपर वे. सो अगर आप ओनली कार्डियो करोगे तो आप क्रिसमस ट्री बन जाओगे, जो आई एम श्योर आपको नहीं बनना है. तो इफ़ यू वांट टू रिड्यूस, इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट इन एक्स शेप और वी शेप, इफ़ यू आर अ गाय, देन यू हैव टू डू स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग का और एक फ़ायदा है, कार्डियो जब आप करते हो तब आप तभी के तभी यू नो बर्निंग कैलोरीज, यू आर बर्निंग कैलोरीज व्हेन यू डूइंग कार्डियो, तब का तब. बट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग एक्सरसाइजेज, you build more muscles, so you boost your BMR. So even when you are resting, reading newspaper, doing nothing, chatting, at that time you are burning more calories, even then, without doing anything. So that's the benefit of doing strength training. एक स्माइल तो मिल सकता है. ओके श्योर. आपके What about chicken? Chicken is very good for your health. Go for it. But no, I mean, go for boiled, grilled, but no fried. Oh my god, I'm doing 700 calories for 50 days and then no carbs. Please don't do it. Start eating. You have to eat at least 1600 calories. I assume you are a guy. Don't go for 700 calories, that man. Why? See, ultimately आप weight loss करना चाहते हो ताकि आप fit बनो, ना कि आप hospital में चले जाओ. आपको ICU में जाना है? How to reduce face fat? You see this laddu? मुझे भी नहीं पता how to reduce face fat because आप सिर्फ face fat नहीं कम कर सकते हो. आपको अपना overall body fat percentage कम करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद ही आपका face fat कम होगा. समझ में आई बात? How to reduce black spots from your face? Okay, if you have black spots on your face, then you can apply, you can use curd to clean your face after every wash. It will really help. You can also apply turmeric and honey, add both of them and apply on your face. It really helps. How to skin glow? अगर आपको glowing skin चाहिए, if your skin is already healthy and if you just want a glowing skin, तो उसके लिए you can apply honey and moisturize your face, massage your face with it. It will help. Then you can also, if you just want to scrub your face, then you can put sugar in honey and then give a little scrub. It will help you out. Okay, you guys, I hope you had fun in knowing how to get a healthy glowing skin from a fitness professional's perspective. If you have any further questions, any further doubts, any further queries either related to this topic or any other topic, let me know in the comment box below, and next time when I'm live I'll pick up one of your questions and I'll answer that. In the meantime, I've answered many questions. I've made over 100 videos where I've answered questions like today, so you can go and check those questions and answers out on youtube.com/sapnavyas, that is youtube.com/SAPNAVYAS. I hope you'll get your answers there, and if you don't get your answers, no problem, I'm always there. Let me know. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye. Stay well.